All right, guys, so I have these little catnip mice right here, and I have my 3 cats. Let's see if they want one at all. Oh, there she goes. But yeah, guys, my cats, oh, she just took all 3 of them. My cats always love these little mice things. They always love them and go crazy for them. They are 2.5 years old, these 2 right here, and then Sky is 3. And all 3 of them love them so much. Obviously, they have like the different kinds. You can get like the different seasonal ones. This is for like the Valentine's Day. And, you know, they have like the spring, Halloween, whatever the case may be. So we love them, and my cats love them too.